Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we're gonna analyze Apple, which is dropping minus 0.74% right now. It is a real catastrophe, right? It dropped, it filled our gap over here 157, and right now we are slightly below the support level. So what's next for Apple? I mean, is it possible for it to drop a little bit more? Maybe to 150, maybe to 143 down here. This is a real possibility. We're going to talk about that and much more in this video. Just first, remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here, because I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day on many stocks, including Apple, Tesla, AMD, NVIDIA, NIO, and much more. I think you guys are going to appreciate our content, and of course, if you want to have access to more analysis, many more trading ideas, I recommend to check my website. The link is in the description of this video, and check my newsletters for you. I offer two newsletters, the Market Dive with many ideas, and I share my personal portfolio with you guys, the Finance Hydra portfolio. How good is your portfolio, Nathan? Well, check my performance over here. Click on this link and you will have access to every single one of my past trades, every single detail of my performance against the S&P. So I think you guys are going to enjoy. Just check my website. All the information you need is over there. This is how confident I am on my own trading methodology. It is 100% transparent. I think you guys are going to enjoy my services. Now, back to Apple. Apple is dropping. Is there any bullish reaction on Apple? No, there's not a single bullish reaction right now. I think Apple is heading to lower support levels. However, we should look at the context where we are right now. Look at SPY. Still, it is dangerously trading near its support level, but still, it is not losing its support level yet. QQQ, we have the exact same thing. So I think tech stocks are not going to drop much lower as long as the indices stay above their support levels, including Apple. Of course, Apple is slightly weaker than other stocks. If you look at the 1 hour chart, for instance, let me raise this line. In the 1 hour chart, Apple is kind of losing the previous bottom level over here, right? It did a lower low, unlike Tesla, which did an equivalent low over here, unlike Amazon, which is doing a higher low right now, unlike NVIDIA, which is also doing a higher low. Apple is looking slightly weaker than these stocks. Still, I don't believe it is the end of the world, but this gives me the impression that Apple could drop a little bit more if we don't see a crystal clear reaction. Okay, if we see a very good reaction like tomorrow or by Tuesday, I believe Apple is going to bounce to its 21 EM again, and then we'll see. We'll see if it is just a dead cat bounce or if Apple is going to build stronger, better, clearer bullish structures that could reverse Apple in the midterm as well. But since we don't see any reaction, this is just fiction. Remember, the future does not exist. We can't assume this is going to happen. Right now, Apple is dropping, so in theory, what is its next support level? $150. This is the next key point on Apple. Nathan, what if we lose this point? Then $143. Well, Nathan, what if we lose this point? $128. And this is the last support level for Apple in the midterm, because by losing this point, I believe we could easily reverse the trend in the long term as well. I mean, Apple is already moving sideways since December, right? So for many months, almost a year, we are just moving erratically sideways. Right now we are trading at 154. September 7th high was 156. So yes, we are quite trading sideways for 1 year right now. So, but still, I believe by losing this point, Apple is going to completely frustrate the long-term bullish bias we have on it right now. I think that's quite unlikely. It is possible to drop a little bit more, but I don't believe we're going to reverse the momentum, the long-term momentum. First, because Apple is still a good company. It is a high-quality company, amazing, and technically speaking, it is very hard for Apple to do this without more bullish structures, right? I mean, right now, Tesla. So sorry, Apple. I just recorded a video on Tesla, right? So I'm gonna, if I say Tesla, I mean Apple, all right? So if you ask me in the weekly chart, since Apple did this gravestone doji, this is a classic gravestone doji just under a resistance a resistance level over here. I always talk about that kind of candlestick on my newsletters. Seriously, subscribe to my newsletters. This candlestick over here, let me share with you guys. On the pattern site, the Bukowski's pattern site, if we search for a doji, I'm sorry, gravestone doji, gravestone. See, this is it. This is the pattern we had on Apple on August 15th over here, okay, 15th week. Now, bearish reversal 51% of the time. Its best average move in 10 days is minus 5% when we see, I'm so sorry, plus 5% when it is a bear market, but when it does an upwards breakout, in this case was a downwards breakout, so Apple is still in a very rough time. However, we have the 50% Fibonacci's retracement as a support level as well. Where is the 50% retracement, Nathan? 152. Quite close to the 150 down here, right? So this point is going to work as a dual support level. To me, it's going to be very problematic for Apple to lose this support level in the midterm, all right? So any bullish reaction in this support level would be very interesting and very compelling on Apple. However, I do agree, if we react right now along with the indices which are hanging at their support levels, I do believe Apple could do a very nice reversal. Of course, technically speaking, I rather prefer to see it trading near a support level, but okay, it is what it is. To me, we should wait for more opportunities for a crystal clear bullish structure on Apple, which right now we don't. Unfortunately, there is not. Of course, I will keep you guys updated every week, and if you want to have access in real time to my recommendations, subscribe my newsletters. I really appreciate your support, your audience, my dear friends. Keep in touch, stay safe, see you guys tomorrow.